See, there has been a pig lying in this. There's the Jews there. There's the front paws. That's 100 all day long plus, that pig. Because I've winded an animal on the other side of the river. He's going to cross the river, look. He's winded a pig on the other side of the river. And he's taking himself across. That wasn't the plan, but there'll be a pig over there for sure. He's not doing that for no reason. There he goes. Poe's now smelling what Nut's scented. Just get the scent of it. At this point in time, Johnny's actually crossed the river and he's with Nut. And if you listen really carefully, you can hear him bailing in the distance, just under the noise of the river. Dog's bailing. Bailing down the river. On the other side. Good. Smell boar. Oh yeah. Oh shit, it's a big boar. It's a good scrap. Good dogs. Holding. Holding. Good boy. Well, the rain's just about to start coming in now. Got old mate strapped up and good to go on my back. I don't know how I'm going to go carrying this beast because it's about a 3k carry back to the truck, I reckon. Carrying this pig out's been more of a challenge than I thought it would be. He's looking sorry for himself. You know where to go when you're injured, don't you, mate, eh? Eh? That'll be a good one, eh? Cheer into it. There you go, you enjoy that, buddy. Eat up. Get up, Poe. Here, Poe. Up. That got you up, didn't it? Good girl. That's a good dog. Good girl. Get him, Poe, in your box. Good girl. Oh, that looks good. Little Pace licking his wounds. Took his collar off so he can get to it. Good boy. He'll be hungry too. There you go. Big day. The curious part of my brain wants to know what a cross section of this jaw will look like cut in half. I could have just smashed it with a hammer and taken a tusk out, but I'd like to see how it looks. There's a cross section, and the dog can smell all that nice marrow, can't you, boy, eh? Yeah, you like that. You can see here where it got him on the side, right there. There's the rip from it. There we go. I did it. Beautiful. We're going to make that into a lovely lure. You'd like that, wouldn't you, eh? Eh? You've earned it. There you go. Go and chew on that. This cross section gives you an idea of how much of the tusk actually goes into the jaw. Beautiful. Interesting. Much harder at the tip than it is down at the root. This is the hard bit. This is the softer here. I don't want to break it. Perfect. We've got some 80-pound fluoro here. Going to put a swivel on one end, pretty much tight as I would with a lure. I was going to use wire trace, but I figure 80 pounds pretty hard to bite through. A barracuda can, and so can a good shark. Coming through here. Just stretch that as much as I can. Got to be certain it's not going to be able to pull it through that hole, and I think that's going to hold it. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Right off that point we're going to drop the anchor, and we're going to go out and cast as the tide comes in that way up, and hopefully our Boar Tusk lure can hook a kahawai. Good to see a few birds hanging around, it's always a good sign. Got a few birds just over here. Let that go. Well, the rain came, and that's why I've got my raincoat over my legs. I don't know how waterproof this rabbit is on my head, but it's not ideal for fishing, but we'll give it a crack anyway. Going to start casting into the channel. The wind's blowing the wrong way too, it's blowing me off my line. How does she look in the water? Yeah, it could catch a fish maybe, a few birds hang around. Doesn't have the most weight for casting, but it's not bad either. We'll just stay here and fish away and report back if we get a hit. Well, she's come to the surface of the water a bit there. Now, not going to get snagged on the bottom, that's for sure. If we have her on the top all the time, we might have to wind a bit slower. Maybe it gets a bit of air in it and floats. It's got good action in the water actually. It spins. It's got good action. That's cool. Not complaining about its action. Got a strike on it. We got a strike. We got a strike. Oh yes. The Boar lure is on. I didn't expect that. We're going to keep him on though. We got a strike on the Boar lure. Oh, I don't want to lose it. Oh. Jeez. Might be a better fish than I thought. Don't snap off, there's a lot to lose here, a lot of work's gone on that lure. Oh, I'm going to play this guy. I don't know how big it is, but I don't want him to snap my line. I'm only using a 15 breaking strain. Oh, this is pretty exciting. Jeez, only a third cast. How cool is that? I'm just letting it run a bit. I don't want to tire him out. Yeah. I'm going to just go very carefully. Oh, he's a good size fish. He's a biggie. He's a beauty. Very carefully. He ain't in the boat by a country mile. I need a landing net for this fish. He's much bigger than I was expecting to catch. Oh. Holy shit. Oh. This could go on. Holy screaming reels. Jeez. This has been going on now for about 3 minutes. I've got to be so careful. So careful. Oh, one fish is enough. One fish is enough on the ball lure. Got to tire him out and get him in. He's not tiring out yet. He's fighting good. Kahua is such a fighting fish. Oh, taking a long time. Long time. Why didn't you bring a landing net, Clay, you bloody silly bugger? This guy might not even be able to come in the boat. I can feel the weight of it in my arm. Jeez. We are really starting to work now. He's come up the top. He's getting tired. We might get a chance to get him in this time. There we go. Oh, there he is. He's got one barb on him. One barb. He's tiring. And we get him in the boat. Look at that. What a cracker. What a bloody cracker. And that is the ball lure. What a ripper. It's just a beautiful fish. Right, we'll give him the knife and put him out of his misery. There's many ways you can bleed him. And I'm bleeding this guy out through his head where I vickied him. I've gone right through. Still a lot of blood coming out. I could have done icky Jamie, but I've just ickied him. Beautiful. Will go beautiful in the smoker. So the dogs can enjoy the head, the fins. This beautiful fish is so big it doesn't even fit on the board. Young kahua prepared properly make a really good sashimi fish. And these bigger ones are ideal for smoking. Now we're not going to take the scales off this. We're going to keep them on. Dog tucker and human tucker. Your place. Hi. Johnny. Hey John. Your place. Nut's no longer with us now. He passed away not too long ago. You're not sharing much, Po, are you? Loaded with omega-3, EPA and DHA, really good for our dogs. It's what particularly old dogs like Po need. About done it. No wastage around here. It really makes their coat shine, that fish. A good boy, eh? We've got a bit of dill here. Thyme. Some parsley is important for our fish. Rosemary. Just going to strip it like that. This honey is from the bees on the property here. And it is probably the best honey I've ever had. We're just going to go like this. We've already got salt on here. We're just going to put this all over the fish, spread it equally over it. Going to smack a little bit more salt on, not too much because I salted it last night. Some on this as well. I'm going to put this on just like this, really fine, and just break it. What smells coming at it are just divine. Rather than chop it onto a chopping board, if we chop it on a chopping board, a lot of the flavour is going to go into the wood. Dill goes really well with fish. There's this parsley and also the rosemary as well. We've got thyme and rosemary there. And I've got some chili flakes. I'm going to put a few of those on just to give it a little bit of heat, not too much. This apple chip is the best for smoking fish that I've used, and pork. Smokes it up really good. Little pine needles every time. Make our little diamond and she's away. Like the old man and the shotgun sitting on the veranda. Hey, check this out. This is wood chip I got from the apple. Oh, cool. Just going to need a bit of grass in there. A bit later. A few pine bits in there too. Give it a bit of food. I've left the scales on so it doesn't stick to the wire mesh.
Oh, okay.
That's the way you fix it. Smack that on top.
Oh, I thought I was going to do an Indian ritual, just bathe myself in the smoke and
just so long as you keep your pants on, mate, that's the main thing. Mate Shay's just rocked up. Got a few veggies just steaming in here. There's some kumara. Going to town. This is dandelion root tea.
looks like tea too.
Tastes like tea as well. Cheers. Get it in you. He's never had dandelion root tea before.
Well, that's pretty dandy, isn't it?
Yeah. It's an acquired taste.
I could run with that.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm trying to get down to the hall, join the sea.
You're just going to do it if you enjoy it, you know. Well, she's looking good, but I reckon put it down and give her a bit more, mate. Properly. Can you give us a hand to lift it off, mate? I reckon it'll be cooked now. Just poke it on the ground here. Fingers all right? Down here's good. Oh yeah, no, she's good. What you want to see with your smoked fish is it's just starting to crack. That's the time to take her out. And this here is ready, so we're going to serve it up. This is just a cheap warehouse smoker. Been used it for years. It does really well. And that, as you can see, is not too stuck to it because the scales we've left on. And ain't that a beautiful tune that Shane's whistling there? What a talent. Get your heart out, Roger Whittaker. Righto, we'll put that on the plate, serve it up.
Nice.
Very good.
Nice touch. It's just right.
Just right. Awesome. Jeez, mate, you're making short work of that. Just well, didn't give you a whole fillet. So you reckon you get out for a fish this season? Catch some kahua yourself?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they're in the bay now. Not many, but they're out there. Hey team, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Good luck with your own fishing. Making a lure out of a boar tusk was just something to get an idea of whether actually would take it. So next time I do an actual primitive challenge using nothing but the raw materials, I know it works. And clearly it does. The fish will be coming into the bay soon in Tasman. The snapper will be spawning. So stay safe out there in your boat. And we might see you out there on the water if you're in the bay here. And be good. You can't be good, be careful. Did you throw a bit of bones away there, did you?
I did.
Oh, so there were bones in there. Got him.